Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Divya and today's video is a bit long, so I have to give the voiceover. This video is special since it's my husband's birthday, so I'm gonna be doing a little bit of vlog. So let's quickly get into the process. Today's menu is fried rice, paneer butter masala, homemade curd, little bit of white rice, puri, chocolate cake, and finally bison. Let's begin with Bison. Here in a hot pan I'm gonna add half liter of milk. Let it boil. Meanwhile, in a hot pan I'm gonna add 1.5 teaspoon of ghee, once the ghee melts, I'm gonna add 1/4 cup of cashews, roast it until it becomes golden brown in color. Now I'm gonna take it out in a separate bowl. In the same pan, I'm gonna add few dry grapes, saute it for a while, and I'm gonna take it out separately. To the same pan, I'm gonna add 1 cup of semia, roast it well, roast till it becomes golden brown in color. It hardly takes 2 to 3 minutes. Once it is done, I'm going to switch off the flame and take it out. Next, to the boiling milk, I'm going to add 2.5 cup of water. For 1 cup of semia, here I'm going to use 5 cups of milk combining with water. And I'm going to add half cup of sugar. If you wish, you can add more sugar as well according to your taste. Now I'm gonna add badam powder, 1/4 cup of badam powder, or you can add 2 tablespoons of it and mix it well. I'm gonna add ilachi or cardamom powder to enhance the flavor. Now it's boiling and it's right time to add semia. Here I'm gonna add roasted semia. Quickly give it a mix. I'm gonna add 1 teaspoon of ghee, and roasted dry fruits. Mix it well, and I'm gonna switch off the flame. I'm gonna cook only for 2 minutes, not more than that. So now quickly I'm gonna switch off the flame. So our Bison is ready to serve. Next we'll start with puri dough. For that, in a bowl I'm gonna add 1.5 cup of atta or wheat flour, add salt to taste, add semolina like 2 tablespoons, it's suji or rava, whatever you call. Gradually add water and mix it well. Don't add too much of water. So here is our dough. Now I'm gonna add 1 teaspoon of oil and coat it well. Now I'm gonna rest it for 30 minutes. Next we'll prepare paneer butter masala. It's so rich, creamy and yummy. So let's get started. Here I have 4 tomatoes and 3 onions. I'm gonna roughly chop it. In a hot pan I'm gonna add 2 teaspoons of oil and add roughly chopped tomatoes. Add onions, add cashew and mix it well and cook until tomatoes get soft. Close the lid and cook for 5 to 10 minutes. So it's done now. I'm gonna switch off the flame and keep it aside. So once it is cool, I'm gonna shift it to the blender and I'm gonna blend it. Now in a pan, I'm gonna add 1 tablespoon of oil and 2 tablespoons of butter. Allow it to melt. Now add 1.5 teaspoon of red chili powder. Give it a nice mix. Add 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. Give it a mix. Now I'm gonna add masala which we have been prepared before, onion, tomato and cashew paste. Mix it really well. Add salt to taste. Add little bit of water and mix it well. Close the lid and cook for 10 minutes. Keep mixing in between. So now our masala is done. Now I'm gonna add half teaspoon of garam masala. Give it a nice mix. Add add little bit of kasuri methi to enhance the flavors. It gives nice buttery flavor. Now I'm gonna add 1 teaspoon of sugar. It's optional. To balance the flavor, I'm gonna add it. And here I'm gonna add 2 tablespoons of milk. It gives nice flavor and creamy texture. Now it's time to add paneer. Here I'm gonna add 200 grams of paneer cut into cubes. Mix gently. So now our paneer butter masala is ready. Now let's prepare chocolate cake. For that, in a bowl I'm gonna add 1 cup of milk, boiled and cooled milk. Add 1/3 cup of oil, any regular cooking oil, 1 teaspoon of lemon juice. Instead of that you can use vinegar as well. Add 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence. Add half cup of powdered sugar. You just put sugar in the blender and blend it. Now mix it well. Now I'm gonna sieve the dry ingredients. Add 2 cups of maida or all-purpose flour. Add 3 to 4 teaspoons of cocoa powder. One teaspoon of baking powder. Half teaspoon of cooking soda. And sieve it well. Now I'm gonna combine it well. Try to mix with cut and fold method. Add 2 tablespoons of milk and mix it well. Now our cake batter is ready. So in a cake tin, I'm gonna add 1 teaspoon of oil and grease it well. Add 1 teaspoon of maida and apply it well to all the corners. You can pour the batter if you don't have butter paper. If you have, you can place it. So here I'm gonna place butter paper. If you wish, you can add 1 teaspoon of oil. And now I'm gonna add cake batter in it. So tap it well. In a kadai, I'm gonna add half cup of salt. Level it to the base. And I'm gonna place the base and place the cake batter. Close the lid and cook for nearly 30 to 40 minutes in a low flame. So let's check with toothpick, and it's done. This video is getting really long, so I'm gonna do part 2. In that I'm gonna show how to decorate the cake and the remaining recipes. So thank you for watching. Do subscribe to my channel for more videos. If you like, please give a thumbs up and do comment down in the comment section below. Yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. Do subscribe to my channel for more videos.